Hello learners, I hope you all are enjoying this algebra and as per our pre-decided module, today we are going to discuss about a very popular terminology that is used in your algebra, and without this it is not possible to step out further in any algebraic operations. And from school life to intermediate and then UG and then PG, everywhere you have to understand and you have to apply this concept, and that is very common and basic. I hope you all know. So please take it as a episode of enjoy. And the topic is system of linear equations. So for that, please come on the board and see linear equation. I am writing here x plus y x plus y is equal to 30. You see minutely, this is an equation because here is a statement of equality and there are two unknown quantities. They are x and y. And you see the power of this variable x is 1 and the power of this variable y is also 1. So this will represent a line like this. This will represent a line as you can write here. This will represent a line in geometry. In coordinate geometry, this equation will be representing a line AB. Means this equation of second degree x and y will represent a line. There is a theorem, perhaps you have gone through that in your 11th coordinate geometry, that every equation of first degree in x and y always represent a line. So you see that this is an equation of first degree in x and y, and here power of x is 1 and power of y is 1. So this is x plus y is equal to 30. So here x plus y is equal to 30. X plus y is equal to 30. So this is a linear equation in x and y. So this equation will represent a line. This equation will represent a line. Means if this is a linear equation, then corresponding to this equation, there may be a line in geometry. I hope it is clear. You can take another example. X minus y is equal to, it is 6, like this. No problem whether here is plus and here is minus. There is no issue. Whether it is plus or whether it is minus, there is no issue. This is also an equation of first degree in x and y. This is also an equation of first degree in x and y. So this will also represent a line like this. So if you take these two equations, x plus y is equal to 30 and x minus y is equal to 6. If you are talking these two equations at a time, then These two equations are forming here system of linear equations. System. If you are using your computer, then your computer is finally that is a system, because there is CPU, there is battery, there is monitor, there is keyboard, there is mouse. When all combine together, they form a system. So system means more than one. When they are taken together, they form a system. So system of linear equations means what? System of linear equations means what? If you are taking two linear equations for the purpose to represent two different lines, or for the purpose to find the values of variables, means to get solution of these two equations, then in both circumstances these two equations are forming system of linear equations. You can see, you can now ask that, sir, here x plus y is equal to 30. If there is written 2x plus 11y is equal to 40, and 3x plus 4y is equal to 66. So whether these two equations are forming linear system of linear equations or not, whether these two equations, this one and this one, both are forming system of linear equations or not. These two equations, 2x plus 11y is equal to 40, 3x plus 4y is equal to 66. Both are linear equations in x and y. You see here the power of x and y in this first equation, 2x plus 11y is equal to 40. This is a linear equation, and the power of x and y in second equation is also 1. So these two are, these two are linear equations. But when we take together for discussion, for any analysis, for any, deriving, for deriving any specific concept, any particular result, or to find the value of these variables x and y from these equations, then these two equations for system of equations. Now you can see, you can say that, sir, in these equations, there are two variables. So you are taking, two equations. And what about if there are three variables? Suppose x plus y plus z is equal to 11. If there are three variables in this equation, then for the solution purpose, you must have three equations. It is very basic, and I am not going to discuss over that. And this is x minus y plus 4z is equal to 0. Another is 2x plus 5y plus 11z is equal to 60. You see here, 2x plus 5y plus 11z is equal to 60. Here you see these three equations. First equation, second equation, and third equation. These three equations are forming system of linear equations in three variables. These two equations are forming system of linear equations in two variables. And these two equations are forming system of linear equations in two variables. Students, I hope you have enjoyed and you have got the details of this concept. Thank you very much for joining and listening this lecture. Thanks a lot again.